So today I'm going to talk about an interesting tool because it is interesting in the sense that a lot of people have been doing Facebook ads or YouTube ads, but they have a challenge. So they have been using what you call is the boost button, and that's where things go wrong. So in the online space, as I always say, you have to have the right message to the right target audience at the right place at the right time. If you have all this in place, you are set. But so unless we know who my target audience is, it's not going to be easy for us, or there are fair chances that we are going to fail in what we attempt to do. Say, I'll give you an example that I manufacture world class pet food and I have the best ad, but you don't have a pet at home. If I'm targeting you as my customer, the chances that I'm going to fail. So before you actually start your campaign or you start your ads, you should know who you are targeting and what is it all about. If you know that your ad or what we call is the message is targeted at the right person, there are fair chances that you will get what you need. So we are looking at a tool which is a simple tool called Make My Persona tool. It's from HubSpot. It's a free tool. You can try this out. It works perfectly. But before this, I was sending people 10-15 pages where they had to sit and fill out uh, a lot of information, and they used to get confused. Half of them did not even get back because they found it too complicated. So to make things very very simple, I'll just walk you through this Make My Persona tool, and let me show you how this tool works. One minute. So you do a search on Google, Make My Persona from HubSpot. This is how the interface looks. So you can build up your persona. Say example that I am targeting, say, stressed women. Now if I am targeting people who are stressed and the stress at different levels, so I am conducting courses for people, or I am giving solution to people who are stressed in life. So a stress for a person at an age from 18 to 24 is different. Could be because of the education, could be because of their career. From 25 to 30 will be different. So the targeting and the messaging to all these people are going to be very different. So that is where you need to use a tool like this. And say a person who's from 50 to 60 will have a different level of stress or different set of challenges, because they're worried about their children, settling of their families and other things. So people at different stages will have different level of stresses maybe, but through the narrower, there's a old saying that the riches are in the niches. So once you narrow down and you are clearly defining your target audience, your messaging becomes clearer, and when your messaging becomes clearer, you are able to have a better understanding of your target audience. And once you have understanding of your target audience, is easier to sell, because when you sell everything too generic, the chances of you getting results are very very less or nil, I could say. So let's see. So let's put a name. So I at now I am targeting a person with a pet. So I am manufacturing pet food and I am going to target person with a pet, and say uh, I have a person called Mansi, and this is frictional. So I add an avatar to this. I choose next. She's under 18 years old and she's less than high school diploma. I can just, this is, you need to have, so she could be working in an industry, she could be just a student. So I can choose from different areas here. Say it could be from let's say from the sales. She's just starting off a sales job, could be so, but someone below 18 normally will not, but this is for the sake of giving you a demo. The person is self-employed or working in with people of less than 10 people, or if it's a student, then you will target say their parents. So this would be one area. So the parents are working in a company of 11 to 50 employees. The job title would be sales manager. So you can have multiple personas. This is just to walk you through this tool. You will have more examples. So the more examples you go through on different websites and different videos, you will find, but this is to get you started. So how is their job measured? So you will be able to understand that their job is measured by certain parameters, say by sales figures, uh, who they report to. Say they report to the CEO. So this, the more detailing you have, and you don't have to be accurate, but it gives you a fair idea of what you are able to do. And this is an interesting, what are their goals and objectives. To everyone has a target of directly or indirectly increasing the revenue of the company, change management. So this is one way of looking at. So you can fill up this and you will have your persona filled up. So they're using mail, they're using say suppose the parents are using cloud storage. I could have given you a better example, but this is for the sake of taking you through what we call making a persona. Once you have a persona, you can have multiple personas for your customer, but if you have it defined, it makes your job easier, and then you can have different ads targeted to different personas or different people, and you will get better results. So this is just a small tip or a small what you call bite I wanted to share with you, a tool which you will use. It is free and this will help you. So if you want more detailing, you can look at my video DLS course, where I take you through all different concepts and how you could get the right message to the right person, right audience, at the right place at the right time. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.